This is a short and effective booty workout. We'll start with a little warm-up, begin in extended child's pose, bring your knees wide, big toes touching, and allow your head to fall toward the earth. Inhale, come to a tabletop. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees, and take a few rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, arch, gaze forward, broaden through your collarbones. Drop your belly toward the earth. Exhale, round, tuck your tailbone. Your head is the last thing to drop. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, come to down dog. Send your hips up and back. You can pedal out your feet, bending one knee and then the other. Walking out your dog, warming up through the back of your hamstrings. And then lower down to a tabletop position once more. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. And we'll get started here. You can stay up on your palms, or if it's more comfortable, you can lower down onto your elbows. Starting with your left leg, extend your left leg straight back behind you, and we'll just lift straight up toward the sky on an exhale. Inhale, lower the foot down. Exhale, lift. Nice and slow. The slower, the greater the burn. You have 7 more here. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift. Really using your breath, nice mindful movement. Mind-body connection. Last one, hold here, and then bend your knee. Inhale, lower the knee down to the ground. Keep your toe pointed. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. 8 more. Take your time. Last one, hold at the top and just pulse here for 10, 9, little movements about an inch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten your left leg once more. We'll take some curtsies here. You'll bend the left knee and bring it back behind the right, as if you're going to bring that left knee over to the right side of your mat, and then straighten the left leg back behind you. Inhale, bend and curtsy. Exhale, straighten. 8 more. Five more. You've got this. Last one. Keep that left leg straight. We'll take some rainbows. Bring your left foot off to the left side of your mat. Bring the leg up and over to the right, and then up and over to the left for a rainbow here. Up and over, right, up and over, left. 8 more. Make sure you're breathing. Five more. You've got this. Last one. Great job. Come to a child's pose, knees together, forehead to the earth, palms facing up for a moment before we switch sides. Make your way back to your tabletop as you're ready. And then maybe lower down onto the elbows, your choice. Extend your right leg back this time, point your toes. Inhale, exhale, lift the leg toward the sky. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Nice and slow, 8. Last one. Bend the right knee, keep pointing your toe. Inhale, lower your knee down, and exhale, lift. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift, 8. Last one, hold at the top, keep pointing the toe and pulse, 10. Just little pulses. Straighten your right leg. We'll take those curtsies, bend the knee, bring your right knee behind the left as if you're placing that right knee on the left side of your mat, and then extend it straight back behind you. Inhale, curtsy. Exhale, extend. 8 more. You've got this. Nice and slow. Last one here. Bring your right foot off to the right side of your mat. Keep the right leg straight, those rainbows. Bring the leg up and over to the left side, up and over, right, up and over, left, up and over, right. 8. Focus on your breath. Engage your core. Last one. Rest in that child's pose for a moment. And then when you're ready, come down onto your right side. Bend your knees here. So you want to create a 90-degree angle with the knees. You can bring your hand out in front of you for balance. And you'll simply lift your top leg, point your toe, bringing the leg to hip height. Inhale, knees back together. Exhale, lift the left leg. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift, 8. Last one, hold it at the top. And you'll simply kick the left leg straight, point your toes. Inhale, exhale, curl it in. Inhale, straighten slow. Exhale, curl, should be burning for 8. You got 4 more. Last one, hold here. Then you're going to lower that left toe down to the earth. Exhale, lift it up so that you're in a line with your hip. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift. This one should burn. 8, 6, you've got it. 4, 2, and 1. Good. Extend that left leg back. You can keep the right knee where it is, and just lift up and down for 10. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it and circle forwards for 10. And circle backwards for 10. 3, 2, 1. Good. You can bend the knee. Drop that left leg in front of you. Maybe straighten the bottom leg. Just getting a little bit of a stretch through that left glute. And then we'll switch sides when you're ready. Coming down onto your left side this time. Using your hand to support your head. Bend your knees, creating that nice 90-degree angle here. Inhale, exhale, lift your top leg. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. You have 8. 4. 'Last one, hold. You'll straighten the right leg and then bend the knee once more, keeping that leg lifted. Inhale, extend straight. Exhale, bend. 8. 4. 'Last one. Challenging one here. You'll drop your toe down to the earth. Exhale, lift to hip height. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. You've got this. 8. Nice and slow. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Straighten the leg out. You can keep your bottom knee where it is. You'll just lower up and down. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. 8. 4, 2, and 1. Hold here. 10 circles forward. I know it burns. 6, 5, you got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle it backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bend that right knee. Maybe slide it in front of you, coming into a stretch here. Straighten the left leg. And then you can roll onto your back, coming to a figure 4. Cross your right ankle over the left thigh. Gently press your right knee away from you. Maybe hug your left knee in towards your chest if you'd like. And you can repeat this workout 2 or 3 times if you have the time. Or you can finish up and stretch with me. Switch sides. Cross your left ankle over the right thigh. Stay here, hug the right knee into your chest, flexing through both ankles to protect your knees. And slowly release. And maybe just drop your knees from side to side, giving your glutes a little massage. If you enjoyed this workout, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, or become a member. And again, you're welcome to repeat this workout 2 to 3 times. This is where I'll leave you.